Thank you, everyone. It's an honor to be here, and we are incredibly excited about this partnership. So let me just start off by thanking Jan and the entire Environics team. It took a lot of work from a lot of people, but we cannot be more excited about getting things kicked off. And thank you all for joining us here today. I'll give a quick kind of high level of LiveRamp and what we're looking to really try and solve. I think this is no surprise to anybody in the room. 62% of leaders say improving access to fragmented data is a top priority for the coming year, and half believe data silos are barriers to innovation. I think probably most of us in the room spend most of our professional day-to-day working on trying to solve this problem and trying to make it easier for marketers to get access to data for both targeting, measurement, and just better consumer experiences. We know the power of first-party data. When I started at LiveRamp 10 years ago, I'd say the industry was really just sort of discovering how to harness first-party data. Now we've matured to the point where the data you own has never been more important, but no matter how much you have, you'll never be able to see the whole picture. Our consumers today are more and more complex than they've ever been. They're working on multiple devices. I think I saw multiple people in the room with 2 cell phones, just as an example, let alone connected TV, all of the devices in your household. The consumer journey is just more and more complicated than it's ever been, and getting visibility into that is really key. And that's what takes us to collaboration. Collaboration is the ability to unlock multiple data sets, multiple organizations coming together to really better that consumer experience. And at LiveRamp, we have a big vision for data collaboration. So, often the industry talks about a clean room. They think about it just as a data environment. If you don't work in this industry, a clean room means a whole different actual room, where the wind blows down. But at LiveRamp, we really think about a clean room that unlocks multiple different use cases and enables both identity resolution, consumer strategy, cross-screen measurement. It allows you to bring partnerships together. And many of you may have heard 70 days ago now, LiveRamp acquired Habu, which was one of the other leading clean room companies in the space. And that's really allowed us to bring together the best of our LiveRamp technology, what the Habu team was building, and allows us to really scale our technology globally in a much more seamless capacity. Unlocking the full potential of data collaboration, in our eyes, really requires 4 essential ingredients. So the first is what we call live identity, and this is really the ability to bring your enterprise ID into the environment. The second is live access, and especially with our partnership with EA, this enables you to bring together EA's extensive third-party audiences, as well as analytics expertise to really make the most of the data set that you're working on. The third is live connectivity. So the data is only as valuable as what you can do with it, right? If it sits and is stuck in a clean room, it's not going to provide any value to anyone. And so that connectivity really enables you to bring that data out into the full ecosystem. And then, as Jan mentioned, it's only as powerful as you can measure it, right? Spending dollars in places that are unmeasurable are just poor dollars spent. And so with Live Insights, that really allows you to unlock cross-screen measurement in order to ultimately improve your data strategy and improve your campaigns. All of this is great and hopefully sounds exciting, but it's really only as powerful as the network that you bring with it, right? If you're working with a provider, you're working with a partner, and there's no network there, then you have no ability to collaborate. And so what we do, we spend most of our time at LiveRamp, and my team really focuses on, is continuing to build out this network. And today we have one of the largest networks of collaborators are already built, many of them leveraging clean rooms today. A couple of the partners on here are leveraging over 100 different clean rooms with different providers for collaboration. And what we're even more excited about is that not only do we have many new publishers and partners coming soon that you'll all be able to access, but we're also excited to have conversations with many of you who may be here in the room who we have not spoken with yet. So again, like the power of the network is all of the collaborators being a piece of that, and we're super excited about continuing to build out our network, especially in partnership with Environics. Last, I'll just say that EA and LiveRamp, we truly believe that we are uniquely positioned to provide proven business value for brands, agencies, and publishers. And we think that we're uniquely positioned for this because, one, we have the right foundation. I can tell you that privacy and governance is something that, and data ethics is something that has been core to the LiveRamp DNA as long as I've been there. And EA is clearly the leader in the space here in Canada, and we're very excited about bringing those two things together. The next is flexible collaboration. We want to ensure that we can unlock the widest range of use cases to really bring value to all of the work that hopefully many of you will be using the collaboration platform for. And that really builds into the premier global ecosystem. So being able to reach consumers globally, we know the majority of our customers are looking to have that global footprint, and we're incredibly excited about this partnership because of that.